Welcome to our incredible journey. I'm David, and I'm thrilled to explore the world of Joint Restore Gummies with you today. Brace yourself for a wave of info that'll change how you see knee health. Joint Restore Gummies, the superhero of supplements, is making waves online. It's the ultimate knee candy, dietary marvel designed to shower your knees with love. Dreamed of life without knee pain? Joint Restore Gummies might be your dream come true. Forget pricey knee replacements. This gem promises a pain-free existence without breaking the bank. But before you dive in, stick around for this crucial video. I'll spill the beans on everything you need to know about welcoming this supplement into your life. I won't just shower praises. I've got a duty to be real with you. Does it really work? That's the million-dollar question. And I've got the exclusive lowdown. Consider this video your backstage pass to game-changing information. Let's cut to the chase. Joint Restore Gummies aren't typical. They're the knee candy you never knew you needed. Crafted with care, featuring heroes like Boswellia and hemp, with the prestigious US Hemp Authority certification. Say goodbye to knee pain within a month. That's the promise. And these gummies? They come in a mouth-watering strawberry flavor. No more cringing at the thought of your daily dose. But let's talk science. Joint Restore Gummies tackle the root cause of joint issues, aiming at inflammation. Unlike conventional meds, these gummies are a healing balm for your knees. Customer reviews praise their effectiveness. Imagine a life without knee pain. That's the dream. This supplement has science backing it up, ensuring it won't harm your body. Surgeries are daunting. Joint Restore Gummies offer a natural, side effect-free alternative. One gummy a day for 30 days, and you could experience the magic. Pop a strawberry gummy, and let natural ingredients work wonders. Watch them stop the inflammatory response, giving your body a chance to heal. The Spectre effect tackles chronic inflammation, making your joints agile. It's about reclaiming a life free from arthritis. Curious? Dive into the official website for a sweet discount. I hope this video sparks a fire in you. If you've got questions, spill them in the comments. Here's to a pain-free, joy-filled life with Joint Restore Gummies. See you soon.